Hello guys, so welcome back to the next tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to interface Bluetooth terminal with the Arduino Uno. So first of all we should understand why we are using Bluetooth and which area we can use it, what are the application. So Bluetooth is a wireless module like IoT, Zigbee, RF transmitter, receiver. In a similar way we are dealing with the Bluetooth here. So Bluetooth is a wireless module by which we can transfer our data wirelessly from one end to another end. And in a similar way like how we did in case of Zigbee, GSM and many more. So Bluetooth is it is having some range. So within the limited range we can transmit our data. Like previously how we were transmitting the data by our phone, one phone to another phone, we were sending our images, videos and songs like etc. So it should be within the range. If it is outside the range, using Bluetooth module we can't send our information. So one limitation of Bluetooth is we can transmit our data up to some distance only. In case of Zigbee also the same thing, and RF transmitter receiver also the same thing. So all these disadvantage we can overcome by using IoT modules like ESP8266 or Node MCU. So we can transmit the data throughout the world. Only the thing is we need internet connection. But in case of Bluetooth module we don't need any network and base station needed. What we have to do, we have to just power up the circuit, and we need to connect the 5 volt to the 5 volt of the Arduino and ground to the ground. The communication medium between Arduino Uno and Bluetooth will be UART only. So again universal asynchronous receiver transmitter we have to use it. So this protocol we are using just to send the data. Okay, so Bluetooth we will have as usual in UART case we are having 6 pins, 5 volt, ground, receiver, transmitter. So one thing we have to keep in mind, the receiver of the Arduino Bluetooth module, it is receiving up to 3.3 volt. In case we are providing 5 volt, there may chances our Bluetooth will burn out and it will not work, perform the operations. So in order to make but Arduino can give voltage up to 5 volt only. So we can't, if we'll directly give we'll connect the transmitter pin of the Arduino Uno to receiver of this one HC05 Bluetooth module, then there may chance it will damage our Bluetooth. In order to avoid these issues we have to make one voltage divider circuitry. So that voltage divider circuitry 2K and 1K we have to make it, so that after voltage divider we'll get 3.3 volt to the receiver of our Bluetooth module. Okay, so let's start the code, then I will show you the hardware. And here by using in our phone there is also one Bluetooth. So from that Bluetooth we can control the LED. So the tutorial is nothing but how to control the Bluetooth wirelessly using Bluetooth, and we are going to control the LED of the Arduino Uno. So here we have the code, and this code we have to copy. In your case you can download from the app, and after downloading the code from the app, then what you have to do, you have to create new file. After creating new file, then paste the code, whatever code I have written in that whatever code you got from the app, that code you have to paste it. I will explain you the code first, then I will show you the functionality. So char data equals to 0. So what it is, actually I am taking one variable and I am assigning it as a 0. It is a global variable, no need to assign it 0, but I am just assigning it. And void setup function, in that void setup function here we have to do two things. One is we have to set the baud rate as a 9600, and another one we have to set the mode. As I told you earlier that we are going to use one LED. We just want to toggle on and off. So for that we have to make it as a pin as a high. So 13 pin number we are making as a high. One more thing is here, pin number 13 of like Arduino Uno is providing one more functionality. So with the board we will get inbuilt LEDs connected to the pin number 13. If you want, there is no need to connect extra LED, but just for tutorial purpose I am the same pin I am adding one extra LED, but 13 pin number you no need to connect any LED. Directly from the phone you can control the blinking of the LED. So now in the void setter function we have to do two things only. One is the baud rate we have to set as a 9600. Another one we have to make the pin number as an output. So here if you want you can change any pin number, and in that pin number only the positive pin of your LED will be connected. And directly you no need to connect the LED, you just give some 220 ohm or some resistance to limit the current, otherwise it may burn your LED. In case now in the void loop functions, that is infinite loop, in that what I am doing, I am continuously reading the serial value. So whenever any data is available on the serial monitor, it will read, and this function is responsible for reading the data. After reading the data, I am storing in the data as a variable which I declared earlier, char data equals to 0. So here I am storing the data whatever I am getting from the serially, and after getting the data, what I am doing, I am printing on the serial monitor, for it is for my sake, and after that I am printing new line. So what I did here, if data equals to 1 means all you just keep in mind, whenever you will get the data, it will in the form of character. So when I will get the data or when I am sending the value as a 1, then that time what I am doing, I am making the 13 pin number of Arduino Uno as an high. After that what I am doing, I am just making it so till when serial monitor it is 1, then it will be high. If suppose I am sending the value as a 0, then it will low. That's all about the coding part. So it is very simple, only we are toggling the pin. When we are sending 1, then it will give the value 1 to the pin number 13, and it will blink the LED, corresponding LED, and if we are passing the value 0, it will give the value 0. Now how we are going to control it? So you can see it in our mobile phone also we are having inbuilt Bluetooth. So Bluetooth from our phone we are going to connect the Bluetooth module, and then we are performing on and off of LED. So as I told you, we have to download on Bluetooth terminal app, okay, from the Play Store. It is like already available, so open source, and you can download it. After downloading it, what you have to do, you have to open the Bluetooth, and you have to open the Bluetooth, and you have to do the pairing. Okay, so when you will open the Bluetooth available devices, it will check. So when your Bluetooth is properly powered by Arduino Uno and connected properly, it will come. So you have to collect HC05. After connecting HC05, you have to give the value. So password, it is by default 1234 or 0000. In my case I am giving 1234. After giving 1234, it is showing that pairing, and it is paired. Once it is paired, then you go to the app, open the app, and then it is showing now disconnected. The moment when it is disconnected, it is showing what you have to do. When last it is showing HC05, because our module name is Bluetooth HC05, that there you have to click it. Once it is clicked, it is showing the connected. Right, now I will show you like how I am able to control the Bluetooth. So now you can see it is connected. So what will be written in the code? So when I am sending the value 1, the corresponding LED of pin number 13 will should blink. Now see, when I am transferring the data as a 1, this LED is blinking. And here also see, as I told you, pin number 13 of Arduino Uno is inbuilt LED. So both the LED is blinking because 13 pin number only I connected. Now when you will send the value as a 0, so what will happen? It should switch off. See, now both the LED is switching off. It means when it is I am sending the value as a 1, it is LED is blinking, and when I am sending the value as a 0, it is switching off the LED. Now see, again I am sending the value 1, it is again on, and if I am sending the value 0, it is again off. So by using this concept, what we can do, we can control any devices, whether it is a sensor, microcontroller, and motors, actuators, all the devices we can control it wirelessly. There is no connection between the mobile phone and the module. So after learning this tutorial, we can control any wireless devices. If you want, we can make the home automation using Bluetooth also, using this app. So for home automation, only thing is we need to connect the relay and electrical appliances to that, and by this way we can control. The code will be same only. Thank you.